Okie dokie, Amazon folks, it's Brian K back again with the OlarHike portable inflatable tire inflator here. As you can see, input 5 volts, 2 amps. This guy came with a nice carrying bag to throw into your glove box or trunk. This is the hose. It is disconnected. You have to screw this into the bottom port. That says air outlet. It looks like it can screw into that, but the manual does indicate that it goes into the bottom port. So that's the port that we'll use there. It came with a USB-C. Obviously, it's got USB-C charging right there. Also came with your needle for your balls, footballs, basketballs, softballs, volleyball. Not softballs, volleyballs, whatever. This is, I don't even know what this is. They call it a long inflator, I guess for some type of bike. And then this is like a pressed something or other inflator. Of course, I don't know what that one is either. And then bada boom, bada bing for your normal car tire there. The function is easy. So you just hold it 3 seconds, turns it on. You see it's on ball mode there. You hit the settings button here and it goes into bike, motorcycle, car, and back to bike. There's your battery level there. This is measured PSI. It does have different settings that you can measure with bar units. And there you go. So all the different units, of course, we're going to use PSI because we're American here. And I thought another neat part is, look at this flashlight. So if you're out late and your tire needs air, it does the solid light, it does a flashing light, and this is neat, maybe a little emergency strobe. So I really like this. This will come in handy, you know, keeping it in the car in case you ever have a flat. Or, you know, in my case, I pull up to somebody that's got a flat. I'll just pop this out and offer to help them out. I can imagine it's probably going to take a little time to get some air into a flat tire using this guy. But, you know, it is what it is. So it's portable, it's rechargeable, and it just throws it in the bag. But we'll get good use out of this with balls out in the yard, and then I'll throw it out in the car and keep it there for emergency purposes. It looks pretty nice, made kind of durable, and I like it. Everything fits nicely in a little bag together. So 2 thumbs up on this guy.
All right, I guess we'll try this out. Okay, we're at 8 PSI according to this. Have a little 12-volt plug-in Craftsman air pump, and it's a little bit faster than this, but not much faster. I might stop it at 32. It's at 29 now. That was pretty quick. It took 7 minutes from start of this video. It's putting it on the valve, starting it. It's been 7 minutes. Pretty good. At 30 right there. So 32. Eight minutes, 27 seconds. It's pretty good. For a little handheld battery thingamajig.